Former Australian cricketer Shane Warne is recognised as one of history's finest spinners. Warne began playing cricket at an early age and debuted for Victoria State squad in 1990. He was made on 13 September 1969 in Victoria, Australia. He made his Test debut for the Australian cricket team in 1992, and he went on to become one of the game's most renowned bowlers. Personal information. Full name: Shane Keith Warne. Born 13 September 1969. Died 4th March 2022. Nickname: Warne. Height: 1.83 meter. Bowling style: right arm leg break. Batting: right-handed. Role: ball. Early life and career. Warne was playing cricket with his brothers and was born in Victoria, Australia. He was a member of the neighbourhood club team and immediately gained a reputation as a gifted spin bowler. Early life and career. In 1990, he made his state team debut for Victoria, and shortly after that, he was chosen for the Australian cricket team. International career. In 1992, Warne made his Australia Test debut against India and recorded a wicket in his first over. He rapidly became a vital squad member and contributed significantly to Australia's dominance in the 1990s and early 2000s. He was renowned for his ability to spin the ball with great force and fool batsmen with his accuracy and variety. Warne played a total of 145 Test matches for Australia, taking 708 wickets at an average of 25.41. He also played 194 one-day international matches, taking 293 wickets at an average of 25.73. In 2003, when Australia won the Cricket World Cup, he was also named Player of the Tournament. He was a member of the Australian team that won the tournament in 1999. Controversies. Warne was well known for both his on- and off-field antics. After testing positive for a prohibited drug in 2003, he was barred from playing cricket for a year. In addition, he was embroiled in several other scandals, including a public divorce and several off-field mishaps. Retirement and post-cricket career. Warne stopped competing in international cricket in 2007, and he completely gave up the sport in 2013. Since then, he has provided commentary and analysis for several television networks. Most inspiring quotes. Never give up. Just absolutely never give up. To me, cricket is a simple game. Keep it simple and just go out and play. You can't afford to live your life with regrets. The first thing is to be patient, which is probably the hardest thing to do. Awards and honor. 1997, Wisden Leading Cricketer in the World. 2000, Wisden Cricketers of the Century. 2004, Wisden Leading Cricketer in the World. 2007, Warne Muralidharan Trophy. 2007, Australia Hall of Fame The Dawn Award. 2009, Life Membership of Marylebone Cricket Club. 2012, the Australian Cricket Hall of Fame. 2013, the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame. 2013, Wisden All-Time Test World 11. 2022, Great Southern Stand of the Melbourne Cricket Ground named in his honour. Legacy. Warne has significantly improved Australian cricket as well as the game of cricket in general. Muthiah Muralidharan of Sri Lanka eventually exceeded his mark of 708 Test wickets, making him one of the greatest spin bowlers of all time. The legacy of Warne continues to inspire cricket players in the future.